Hey there, as you begin your research, I wanted to share a tip with you that I thought might be helpful. As you are getting ready to research, I'm going to suggest that you open up your Pike Google Drive. And as you get started, I would create a new folder. Since this is Regionalism Research, I'm going to name it that. And then I'm going to put my name on it. I'm going to click Create. I'll refresh just to make sure it's in there. And as I go down, mine are sorted by title. I find Regionalism Research. I'm going to open that up. And within that folder, I would create a new document. That way, when you export or save your items to your drive, you have a place to put them already. So I'm going to title this one Works Cited. I'm going to create another one that's titled Annotated Bibliography. And I would do new document. And I would just create a place for notes, ideas, and places you want. So here we go, notes, ideas. Okay, and then if I go back to my folder, you can see I've got annotated bibliography, notes, ideas, works cited, and these will all be here for you to, once you export, you can choose a place to put it in your drive. So I would say that you might want to share this with your group members if you want to start and have this for yourself and then share. It's totally up to you, but just a suggestion so that you have a place to put your items when you need to put them there and it's a little more organized. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.